Hello students, today we are going to be going over 10.6, Elimination Story Problems. This is page 206 in your blue packet. Our objective, I can solve a system of equations by elimination. Our steps are 1. Identify the items and assign variables. 2. Write 2 equations from the given information. 3. Use elimination to solve for both variables. Round appropriately. Number 4, write solutions in the context of the problem. So it says write a system of equations to solve for the 2 numbers. Find the 2 numbers. So first we have our items and variables. It says the cost of 3 boxes of envelopes and 4 boxes of notebook paper is $13.25. 2 boxes of envelopes and 6 boxes of notebook paper cost $17. Find the cost of each. So we assign our variable. So first I'm going to put E equals the cost of the envelope. And then I'm going to put N is the cost of the notebook paper. Okay. So then we write our system. It says first 3 boxes of envelopes plus 4 boxes of notebook paper equals $13.25. Okay. Then it says 2 boxes of envelopes plus 6 boxes of notebook paper equals $17. Find the cost of each. So we're going to go ahead and use elimination. So I'm going to decide to get rid of the E. So I'll eliminate the E. So I want this to be the least common multiple between 3 and 2, which is going to be 6. So we want one of them to be positive 6E and the other one to be negative 6E. So what I'm going to do is take this whole thing and multiply it by 2. And I'm going to take this whole thing and multiply it by negative 3. This will give me negative 6E and give me positive 6E. And then that will be using elimination. Next, I'm going to go ahead, 2 times 3E, and I'm going to use some space over here. It's 6E plus 2 times 4 is 8N equals, and we have 1325 times 2 is 2650. There's our first equation. Now our second one, we're multiplying by negative 3. So negative 3 times 2E is negative 6E. Negative 3 times 6 is 18N. That should be a negative. And negative 3 times 17, I believe, is negative 51. I may need to use a calculator on that. I don't have everything memorized. Okay, so 17 times 3, 51. Okay, now I'm going to combine these, knowing that I get to eliminate an E. That goes away. 8N minus 18N is negative 10N equals, what's 2650? So 26.5 minus 51, negative 240. Negative 24.5. Divide by negative 10. So I'm going to divide by 10, make that negative right there, 2.45. So we know the cost of the notebooks is $2.45. Now, to find the cost of the envelopes, we put N back into one of these. I'm going to go ahead and use the top one, 3E plus 4 times 2.45 equals 13.25. Okay, so 3E plus, take this same thing, 2.45 times by 4, 9.8. Subtract 9.8. So 3e equals, make that a negative. Combine those two, and you get 3.45. Now we're going to divide by the number in front of e. So take this, divide by 3, 1.15. I was right. Okay. All right, so we have n is this, e is this. Next, it says write the solution in context. So you could say, and I'm going to take this off for a second, box of envelopes, cost $1.15, and a box of notebook paper, cost $2.45. Okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and do one more. That was kind of complicated, but I think it's good that we worked through that one. We're going to go on to the next one now. I'm going to jump to number 3. A test is worth 100 points and contains 38 problems. Multiple choice questions are worth 2 points each, and word problems are worth 5 points. How much of each type of question are there? So our items and variable, I'm going to put M equals multiple choice. W equals word problems. Okay, then we're going to write our 2 solutions. Multiple choice plus the word problems equals 38. There's 38 problems in each, right? Then we know that, again, multiple choice questions are worth 2 points. So 2 plus 5, because our word problems are worth 5 points. And the total is worth 100 points there. So then we go ahead and we work our solutions out. We're going to solve this by elimination. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply this first one. I'm going to decide to get rid of the m's. So I'm going to multiply this whole thing by a -2. Okay. And when I do that, -2 times m is -2m. -2 times w is -2w. -2 times 38, is it 76? I've been getting things wrong, so I better go ahead and double check that. 38 times 2, -76. And then while I'm doing that, I might as well add 100 to see what I get there. 24. Okay. So this goes away. 3m. Oh, nope, that's w, not m. 3w equals 24. So w equals 8. So there's 8 word problems, and we know the m, if I put 8 there, m equals 30. So 30 multiple choice questions, and you can write this out. There are 30 multiple choice questions. And 8 word problems. That was a bit easier than the other one. Hey, you can do the rest of this, students. You rock.